Jamaican Lorian Hyde of Glendale Avenue, Kingston 10. Yeah, she scammed over 3 million Jamaican dollars, and she might not scam again. Greetings and salutations, yeah, to all Jamaicans, especially the chopper them. Don't get caught up. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeprootstv. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. If it's the first time you're tuning in, yeah, hit that red subscribe button, give me a follow. Leave your comment on this because you know if it's not scamming, Jamaicans is not nyamming. 34-year-old sales representative Lorian Hyde of Glendale Ave, Kingston 10. She has been charged with larceny as a servant following an alleged theft from her place of employment, October 2023 to November 2024. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are an adult at the company revealed that between the aforementioned period, yeah, that's October 23rd and 2023, and November 2024, that period, several irregularities and breach were created. Several customer account. When them say irregularity, that means say, yo, either money never go in or money come out. It was also discovered that Hyde collected monies account to 3.8 million from different customers and failed to hand it over to her employer. The matter was reported to police after she was apprehended and taken into custody Tuesday. Now, Hyde was subsequently charged Thursday, May 22nd, following a question and answering session in the presence of her attorney. Her court date has not been finalized as yet. Now here you have a woman, Lorian Hyde. Yes, and like I said, you know, she's from the famous Ave of Glendale in Kingston 10. And someone hired her. And for some reason, she feel like she can rip off $3.8 million from her employee. Now, I want to know who she's working for. Because me want to know how you allow a sales rep to collect $3.8 million and you no miss it yet. Because if I was her, I would not be there for you to investigate. I would have took that money long time and gone invest. Me nah promote no scamming. But like I said, if it's not scamming, Jamaicans are not nyamming. Lorian Hyde. Yes. Glendale, Kingston 10. Yeah, Kingston 10. Me don't want to give 13 no bad name. She has been arrested because she scammed $3.8 million from her employee. Her employer. Imagine, why you have to thief from somebody where hire you already? Well, Lorian Hyde will be answering to the judge. The case has not been set to trial as yet, but I know that $3.8 million and she failed to turn it over. Girl, you better hide that money because they're going to need some lawyer fee. You are guarantee. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deeprootstv. Leave your comment on this one. You are guarantee. Lorian Hyde, Kingston 10. Decide to rip off our employer for $3.8 million. She's going to see the judge. More life, more joy, yeah, and more happiness.
Highly blessed. Hold on, man. Deeprootstv. So the thing said. Connect.